I give the baby only organic fruits and vegetables. Sean gave her a Dorito this morning. Yesterday, okay. So now she wants a Dorito. Yummy. Yummy. They're going to take us away to DFACS. Giving that baby a Dorito. Yeah, that's enough of that. That's enough of that, Ari. Nasty Dorito. Nasty. Bye, sweetie. You want to show us your clap? Uh-oh, falling down. Ari, you want to show us your clap? Clap, clap. Sean, can you clap? Clap, 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 clap. No clapping.